Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing egg rice recipe. It's easy to make, protein and fiber rich, and an ideal healthy lunchbox meal. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my cast iron pan, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons whole black peppercorns, 1 Kashmiri chili, half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 4 to 5 sprigs or a handful of curry leaves, and I'm lightly roasting all the ingredients on low to medium flame. Once roasted, transfer to a plate and allow it to cool down. Once cooled, I'm transferring it into my small chutney grinder and I'm grinding this to a fine powder. Once ground, transfer to a plate and keep it aside. Into a bowl, I have already added 4 eggs. Into this, I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Add in 1 teaspoon of the ground and kept aside masala, and I'm mixing all this really well. Once mixed, keep it aside. I'm heating my cast iron kadai with 1.5 tablespoon wood pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 8 to 10 garlic cloves sliced and allow the garlic to turn light golden brown in color. Once the garlic starts to turn light golden brown in color, add in half onion finely chopped. Allow the onions to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion starts to turn transparent, add in 1 cup of sprouted green moong dal. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed and give it a good stir. 2 to 3 minutes later, I'm adding in half cup of cabbage finely chopped. Make a well in the center. Add in 1 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil. Pour in the beaten egg into the center of the kadai. Slowly stir the egg mix. Mix everything really well. Into this, I'm adding in 2 cups or 250 grams of cooked rice. Today I'm using illupai chemba rice, which is a traditional variety of rice. Add in the ground masala, some coriander leaves, and give it all a good mix. I'm doing this process on low flame. Once everything is nicely mixed, turn off the flame, sprinkle in a little bit of finely chopped coriander leaves. You can enjoy this with salad, pickle, or any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this egg rice recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.